Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about this Casio men's watch. It's got a very cool design. As you can see, it's got a stainless steel bracelet and case, and the trim around the case is red at the bottom and blue at the top, and it's got a black face with white numerals and white hands. So it's a really cool timepiece. I'll just take it off the stand and show you the bracelet. So it does have a bit of weight to it. It's 145 grams, so it is heavier and would look great if you've got, larger wrists, larger hands. So that's the clasp. It opens up pretty easily, easy to open and close. And then I'll turn this around for you so you can see it. As I mentioned, the bezel is two-tone. You've got blue at the top, red at the bottom, and it does turn. It does have a way to track the date at the 3 o'clock mark there, as you can see. And what's really cool about the watch is the hands and the numerals and the pearl dot here. They do glow in the dark, so if you're in dimmer conditions, you can still see the time. It is 200-meter water resistant, so it can definitely withstand some splashes. You can take it into the water. It can withstand rain. And it's a great watch for, every day, if you're going out at night. It's a really unique looking watch. So if you're a watch collector, this one would be fantastic to add to your collection. Or, if you have a lot of clothing or gear that's this tone, the red, the blue, it would be a great watch to add to your collection.